A hug seems simple, just two people embracing. But in reality, a hug carries energy, emotion, and unspoken words. It's a silent conversation that speaks volumes about confidence, attraction, and presence. The way you react to a hug can create a powerful, unforgettable connection, one that lingers in his mind long after you've let go. But here's the thing. Most people treat hugs like an automatic reflex, something quick and forgettable. What if I told you that a single hug, done the right way, could leave a lasting impression, making him feel something he can't quite explain? Why it matters. Stoicism teaches us control over our emotions, but that doesn't mean we ignore connection. Instead, we master the art of presence. A true Stoic understands that subtle actions often hold the most power. And when you apply Stoic wisdom to something as simple as a hug, you create an experience that leaves an impact, one that speaks louder than words. The way you carry yourself in these small yet meaningful moments sets you apart. It's not about being emotional or trying too hard. It's about presence, control, and effortless attraction. Stick around until the end because the final reaction is a secret weapon. If you do this, he'll never forget how it felt to be in your arms. And no, it's not what you think. It's not about hugging longer, tighter, or adding any dramatic move. It's something far more subtle, yet incredibly powerful. So let's break it down. How do you react to a hug in a way that leaves an unforgettable mark? 1. The power of presence. Most people hug without truly being present. Their minds are elsewhere, thinking about what to say next or treating it as just another routine interaction. But presence is everything. When you're fully engaged in the moment, you turn an ordinary hug into a silent, yet profound form of communication, one that lingers in his mind long after you let go. What to do? Ground yourself first. Before the hug, take a slow, steady breath. This simple act brings you into the present, ensuring you're not just reacting on autopilot. Feel the embrace. Instead of overthinking how long or how tight the hug should be, simply feel the warmth of the moment. Let the energy between you flow naturally. The extra second rule. Let the hug last just a second longer than expected. Not enough to be awkward, just enough to create a subconscious impact. That tiny pause speaks volumes, creating a moment he'll remember. Stoic response. A Stoic doesn't rush through life's moments. He's fully present, even in something as small as a hug. No unnecessary words, no forced emotion, just a quiet, steady presence that speaks for itself. By embracing the moment fully, you show an effortless confidence that makes your presence unforgettable. Remember, a hug isn't just about physical touch. It's about the energy you bring into it. Stay calm, stay grounded, and let the moment do the work. The controlled, confident embrace. Hugs can feel awkward when there's hesitation, stiffness, or uncertainty. But a confident embrace isn't about force, it's about control. When you hug with calm, steady energy, it signals emotional security and self-assurance. It shows that you're comfortable in your own presence, which makes the other person feel the same. What to do? Firm but relaxed. Hold the embrace with intention, strong enough to be felt, but not overpowering. No stiff or hesitant energy, no rush, no cling. A Stoic hug isn't about desperately holding on or quickly breaking away. It's about balance, leaving an impact without overstaying. Breathe with control. Steady, even breathing subconsciously signals confidence. If you're calm, the other person feels safe and at ease in your presence. Stoic response. A Stoic never clings out of insecurity, nor does he pull away out of discomfort. He embraces the moment with quiet confidence, neither seeking nor avoiding. This level of control makes the hug feel effortless and unforgettable. Key takeaway: a hug is a moment of unspoken energy exchange. If your energy is grounded, calm, and assured, it will be remembered long after the embrace ends. 3. The subtle energy shift. A hug is more than physical contact. It's an exchange of energy. If you're tense, hesitant, or overly eager, the other person will sense it immediately. But when you radiate calm warmth and controlled presence, that energy stays with them long after the hug ends. The key is balance, being fully engaged without being overwhelming. What to do? Lean in slightly, show genuine intent, but don't overpower the moment. A natural lean-in signals comfort and authenticity. Match his energy. If he hugs firmly, reciprocate with equal confidence. If he's gentle, respond with the same softness. Mirroring his energy creates subconscious harmony. Let go naturally. Instead of abruptly pulling away or lingering awkwardly, release the hug at a natural pace. The smooth TR. Transition leaves a lasting impression. Stoic response. A Stoic controls the energy he brings. He's warm, yet unwavering. He gives, but never clings. He connects, but never loses himself in the moment. His presence is felt without force, leaving an impression that lingers far beyond the embrace. Key takeaway: a hug should feel effortless, yet impactful. When your energy is calm, composed and intentional, the connection deepens, and the moment becomes unforgettable. 4. The after-hug pause. A hug isn't just about the embrace, it's about what happens right after. The moments that follow can amplify attraction, build anticipation, and create an unspoken bond. If you rush to step away or awkwardly fill the silence, you weaken the moment. But if you hold your presence with quiet confidence, you make the hug unforgettable. What to do? Don't rush to break eye contact. Let it linger for just a moment. A steady, relaxed gaze shows confidence and emotional composure. Offer a subtle, knowing smile, not a forced grin, just a calm, effortless smile that signals presence and assurance. Say something simple yet impactful. Keep it short and understated. That was nice. Good to see you. Or say nothing at all. Sometimes silence speaks volumes. Stoic response. A Stoic doesn't overanalyze or overreact. He lets his energy speak for itself. He's not seeking validation or forcing emotion. He simply exists in the moment. And sometimes, the most powerful move is to say nothing at all. Key takeaway: confidence is often about what you don't do. You don't rush, you don't force, and you don't overcompensate. When you hold your ground after a hug, the other person feels it, and they'll remember the way you made them feel. 5. The final impression. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. A hug isn't just physical, it's emotional. If you get this right, he'll think about it long after it's over. Your last impression determines whether the moment fades away or lingers in his mind. What to do? End with an air of mystery. Resist the urge to over-explain how you feel. Let the moment speak for itself. Walk away with composed confidence. Don't linger unnecessarily or seek reassurance. Exit calmly and deliberately. Leave him with a sense of curiosity. A subtle pause, a glance back, or a slight smirk keeps him wondering. Stoic response. A Stoic never tries too hard to impress. He leaves a mark effortlessly. He doesn't chase validation or overplay his presence. He lets the weight of his energy speak for itself. Key takeaway: your final moment is your signature. Make it one of composure, intrigue, and quiet power. When you leave with grace and self-assurance, you create a memory, not just a moment. A hug, when done right, isn't just an embrace. It's an experience. A moment that lingers, not because of its length, but because of the energy it carries. Most people hug absent-mindedly, but those who are truly present create a lasting impression. A hug can say everything without a single word. It can express confidence, attraction, security, and even mystery. And when you bring presence, self-assurance, and a subtle shift in energy, he'll never forget how it felt to be in your arms. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a hug that stuck with you? Maybe it was unexpected, intense, or just left you wondering why it felt different. Drop a comment below with your experience, and let's talk about the power of presence. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more Stoic insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Remember, it's not about how long the hug lasts, but how deeply it's felt. Master the art of presence, and even the simplest moments will leave a lasting impact.